Welcome back. This is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and today is a late Valentine's present from my wife. Not too late, but this is she got me a pair of boots, and I'm really excited about them. I ordered them on Sunday after talking with her, and today's Tuesday, and they arrived, and I'm super excited. So as you can see, Crockett and Jones, and this is the Harlech boot, which is in Horween, shell Cordovan, and is on last 341. So for those of you who are fans of Crockett Jones, this is perhaps one of the most iconic jumper boots in the world. So like all Crockett Jones, the lining is butter soft. They do a really nice job, and the shell Cordovan is second to none. It is one of the coolest pairs of shell I own. I'm very excited about it. This was from Bodileys in Northampton. They had a great, unbelievable sale. And so this is my first pair of shell boots from Northampton. So very excited. And here's the other one. Now, I was worried because they were so discounted, but I think that they are in great shape. I don't see anything visually wrong with them. And we just look at that. And this is just fantastic. So, I'll get these things ready to go and kick off right now. I had resisted getting boots that were this style. It was not part of my collection strategy, and so as all of you know, I really was focused on field boots and on split toe boots, and then I had a few exceptions here and there, and I couldn't resist these. And I really feel like this is a great opportunity to try something a little different. And I've got a couple pairs in this style, and just bought a pair at Kangaroo, and just realized that, you know what, it's a primary style and something I can do a lot with. It opens up Viberg and all kinds of other brands that we can try and learn together. So very excited to add jumper boots as a primary category to the collection, and look forward to sharing the experience with all of you as we go forward. You can see the trees are the standard limewood trees that CJ does, and just really beautiful, gorgeous boots. Just look at that. And craftsmanship on Crockett Jones never leaves something to be desired. So great again, and let me know what you think in the comments below.